สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Today I will show you guys how to cook Thai chicken clear soup or ไก่ต้มขมิ้น ไก่ means chicken ต้ม means boil ขมิ้น means turmeric. This dish is boiled chicken with turmeric, lemongrass, kaffir leaf and a lot more of Thai herbs. It's full of Thai fragrance and flavors. Let's get started. I will start with herbs. I'm going to prepare quite a lot of shallots. They will give a naturally sweet taste and flavor to the chicken broth. I'm using small shallots, so I don't need to cut them. But if you have bigger ones, cut them into bite-sized chunks. Next is garlic. This will also give a good flavor to the broth. I just roughly smash it. Then remove its skin and set aside. The good part of lemongrass to use for cooking is the bottom half because it's the most fragrant part. Another thing for the fresh lemongrass, I always break it up a little bit to let the aroma come out, then slice it. For the galangal, just slice it, not too thick, not too thin, for about 4 to 5 pieces. And for the kaffir leaves, to release their full aroma, I will tear the leaves apart by removing the midrib. This is fresh turmeric. Its beautiful orange color can stick to your hand and to your cutting board, so be fast to slice it. Make it about 4 to 5 pieces. And if you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use a powder. For this recipe, I chose chicken thighs and chicken legs, but of course you can use chicken breast if you prefer. I really like to use chicken thighs and legs because they are bones and that will make the broth become a really tasty chicken stock. For the chicken, I will marinate it with some sugar and some fish sauce. I will let the chicken sit for at least 30 minutes. For a better flavor, if you have more time, you can let the chicken sit longer than I do, like 2 hours for example. 30 minutes have passed. Now, let's add the chicken to a pot. Then, pour some water and turn on the gas on medium heat. If you prefer to use chicken breast or boneless chicken, then you should use chicken stock instead of water for the soup. By the way, if you like chicken soup, I have another yummy chicken soup recipe with potatoes and carrots. Go check it out. After that, add all the herbs that we have prepared earlier. And because I already add some sugar and fish sauce to the chicken, I will not add anything much. For now, just let the chicken simmer with all the herbs for about 30 minutes until the meat is soft and tender. I will be right back. It's time to add some acidity to balance the soup. Tamarind paste is the best for this recipe, but if you really can't find it, use lime juice or lemon juice instead is fine. Then add a little bit of salt and some chilies as needed. I didn't add a lot today because it's my tummy's day off. Now the yummy herby chicken soup is ready to serve. If you like Thai style soup, make sure you go watch Tom Yum Fish recipe. You will love it because the soup is full of fragrance and super tasty and spicy. As always, don't forget to subscribe and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย